Applying part to whole ratios, lesson 14. You just have to change the 6213 to 6214. I can create and use tape diagrams to solve problems involving part to whole ratios. Here is one neighborhood in Metropolis. Metropolis requirement for green space is 2 units of green space for every 5 units of building. So when they're saying green space, think of like grass, and then building is like the space for buildings. So for every 2 units of, let's say, grass, there's going to be 5 units of building. And if there's 2 green to every 5 building, that's a total of 7 units. Draw a tape diagram to represent this situation. So since it's out of 7, I cut it out of 7. Let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 out of 7 is building, or green, and then 5 out of 7 is building. So I shaded that and I wrote that. Now, number 2. A new development has 35 units of land. How many units of building space can they build? So again, it's out of 35. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The whole thing is out of 5. 75 divided by 5 units is, 35 divided by 7 is 5. So each one is worth 5. That's 10 units of green and 25 units of building space. So if you add it together, that would equal 35 units. If Brianna thinks a ratio of 3 to 4 instead of 2 to 5 would be better, if we use Brianna's ratio, how many units of the new development would be? So if instead of 3 to 4, that means for every 2, right? It'd be for every 2, so 2 to 5. So 3 green to 4 building instead of 2 to 5. So that means I have 3 green, 4 building. And since there's still 7 boxes, 35 divided by 7 is still 5. Then you would need 15 units of green and 20 units of building, and that still equals the 35 units. So make sure you go back and you listen to this again, or you can always listen, take your own notes on this too. And what I need you to do is on the last box here, just put like a little smiley face.